Today we talk about how can you enable homes for rent notifications on your My Redfin app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click here on My Redfin, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down, click here on settings, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on app notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to homes for rent, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as mean homes for rent notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.